Every year, 26 June is observed as International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. The day is devoted to eliminating drugs abuse and addressing the causes that promote the illegal drugs trade. The theme of this year is Share Facts on Drugs and Save Lives. It is aimed at combating misinformation and encourage the exchange of facts on drugs to move from health hazard to solution and focus on prevention, rehabilitation, and aftercare. Alcohol and drugs use is rampant in Manipur. There is rapid increase of drugs use among schools going students also. Thus, concerted effort from all over the various stakeholders, government, NGOs, communities, and the families are required to address the situation with a view to reduce the demand for the consumption of psychoactive substance use. The government launched a scheme named Nisha Laitaba Manipur Semrasi on 26 June 2018. Later, the scheme has been merged with the State Action Plan for Drug Demands Reduction. The state government has constituted state society for prevention of substance abuse Manipur for implementation of the said scheme. Central government has launched Nasha Mukta Bharat Abhiyan, which has also been implemented in 9 hill districts of Manipur. Not only the hills, 9 districts which are identified as most vulnerable of terms of uses of drugs. To address the widespread problem of drugs abuse comprehensively, the government has formulated the Manipur State Policy on Psychoactive Substance 2019. The state-run de-addiction center is being set up at Sunusi 5, Bishnupur district, and will be open and operated soon shortly. The Department of Social Welfare will start extending financial assistance to every local clubs to the tune of rupees 15,000 from this year onwards for carrying out activities related to fighting drug menace. In a war on drugs launched by the state relentlessly, a total of 1,321 cases have been registered and 1,735 persons were arrested from 1st April 2017 till date. More than 10,000 acres of poppy plantation have been destroyed. Amongst many seizures, more than 1 crore WY tablets, nearly 6,000 kg of ganja and nearly 1,400 kg of brown sugar and opium have been seized. Many illegal factories have been destroyed. We are taking up various schemes under the Horticulture Department and the Tribal Affairs Department for providing alternative livelihood activities to poppy cultivators from multiple funding sources. The cooperation from all sections of the society, religious body, village community leaders, civil societies have been overwhelming in our fight against drugs and poppy. I am deeply grateful to several villages in Ukhrul and other districts who have voluntarily come forward to leave behind poppy cultivation as a source of income. We cannot fail in the trust which these simple villagers have reposed in government. On this International Day Against Drug Abuse, let us resolve to strengthen our war against the drugs.